stop segregation?
Wow, segregation is a big word. Do any of you know what it means? Thanks for sharing your ideas. A basic definition for segregation means to keep people of different color apart.
Now Faith is going to read a poem about Martin Luther King titled History Goes On.
Today is a day we all say in honor of Martin Luther King. Whenever people fight to be free, his name is remembered with dignity. When Black people were treated right, he stood strong to lead the fight. He fought with love, not guns or darts. He changed people's minds and their hearts. But some people didn't like his words. He was taken away to a better world. Yet his dream was on, that all can be free, when we knock down the walls between you and me. Martin Luther King's life did not last, but his dream and spirit are free at last.
Now, do you have an idea about who Martin Luther King is?
Not quite.
That's alright, we have this informative video that will help you learn more about Martin Luther King and other civil rights activists. King stopped segregation himself?
No, there are many other civil rights activists who helped stop segregation.
But Martin Luther King is most familiar to us all. Who were the other activists?
Let's check out this platform with all the other civil rights activists. Rosa Parks, an African-American activist known for refusing to give up her seat on a bus that led to the non-government bus protest/boycott.
Mohandas Gandhi. Mohandas Gandhi was an Indian activist. He was a non-violent civil rights and freedom across the world. He was a leader of nationalist movement. He was the father of his country.
Bob Moses is an African-American educator, leader of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee on Voter Education and Registration.
Malala is a Palestinian activist for female education, most recent civil rights activist, youngest Nobel Prize.
Harriet Tubman, an African-American abolitionist and political movement, escaped using an underground railroad to help other slaves get free through that railroad.
Hosea Williams. Hosea Williams was an American civil rights leader. He was best known for being in Martin Luther King's inner circle.
Virginia Foster is an American white civil rights activist, and she was an Alabama Presbyterian minister.
Did you learn who any of these activists were before today? Raise your hand if you learned any of these activists before today. That's what.
And like the other civil rights activists, they had a dream for the future and made a huge impact on our world by their dreams and goals.
Yes, that tells me that you could too. We all can have dreams for our future and accomplish great things.
I will now pass the microphone to Mrs. Sonderling for her closing remarks.
So glad you're here today. I do want to remind you of some of our pride expectations. We're here at an assembly, right? And we have some people that are leading the assembly, so we want to make sure that we are responding respectfully to them and be at a voice level 0 so that you can hear them. Okay, that's real important.
I have dreams for the future. And I will plan to reach those goals and dreams every day. All kids are capable of success. No exceptions.
Today we are honoring Martin Luther King.
Who? Martin Luther King.
He was one of the greatest civil rights activists of all time. Why?
Because he stopped segregation.
Well, segregation is a bit weird. Do any of you know what it means? Segregation means to separate the white and black. She thinks it means to separate white and black. I think it means to separate anyone that are different at all, which isn't very fair. She thinks it means to separate people who are different. She thinks it means to separate people who are different.
So what I think is that basically what it is that the white and the black, I think, yeah, they were all split apart, which wasn't fair, basically. So now we have the right for our lives of what we can do.
Thanks for sharing your ideas. A basic definition for segregation means to keep people of different color apart.
Now, Faith is going to read a poem about Martin Luther King titled History Goes On.
Today is a day we all say in honor of Martin Luther King. Whenever people fight to be free, his name is remembered with dignity. When black people were treated right, he stood strong to lead the fight. He fought with love, not guns or darts. He changed people's minds and their hearts. But some people didn't like his words. He was taken away to a better world. Yet his dream was on, and all can be free. When we knock down the wall between you and me. Martin Luther King's life did not last, but his dreams and spirit are free at last.
Now, do you have an idea about who Martin Luther King is?
Not quite.
That's all right. We have this informative video that will help you learn more about Martin Luther King and other civil rights activists.
Hello there, my name is Mr. and welcome to our first episode of 2016.
My brothers and children, one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
Now, to understand exactly what Martin Luther King Jr. did in the 1950s and 60s, we have to cover some background. You probably know that slavery was to the system in America. People were brought over from Africa in horrible conditions and forced to work for free. It was a really bad thing that went on for hundreds of years until President Abraham Lincoln freed them all at the end of the Civil War. Now that is an interesting subject that we're definitely going to cover in a different episode. But the important thing for today is that Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation didn't solve everything for African Americans. The Southern states weren't happy about the war. Spoiler alert, they had relied on slaves and didn't like being told they had to treat African Americans like equals. Instead, people in those states called them separate but equal, and set about passing laws to keep them second-class citizens. African Americans couldn't get bank loans, they couldn't go to good schools, and they were prevented from voting. This was called segregation, which was enforced with Jim Crow laws. That name came from this guy, a character from the 1830s, played by a white actor, with his face painted black. Now in African American. This is the world Martin Luther King was born into. When he was at school, Dr. King heard about a man called Mahatma Gandhi, who fought for India's independence from the British Empire. This is another big subject to an episode on. But the thing about Gandhi is he had a secret weapon. Instead of fighting his oppressors with violence, he resisted them with non-violence, protesting, drawing public attention, taking beatings, and being arrested. This is the way Gandhi's followers showed the British they were wrong and they were being beaten. It worked, and India declared its independence. Dr. King was inspired by what Gandhi had achieved, and he thought it could work in the USA. Organizations like the NAACP were trying wanted to change Jim Crow laws. In 1954, the Supreme Court finally declared segregation in public schools was illegal. Obviously, someone working with the NAACP, Rosa Parks, refused to give up her seat on a bus for a white person. This is considered to be the beginning of a thing called the Civil Rights Movement. Dr. Martin Luther King was one of its most important leaders. He created his own group called the SCLC. He organized many important protests throughout the South, risking injury and getting arrested. Actually, a lot of people were angry at him and wanted to kill him, but he didn't let that stop him because he knew what he was doing was right. In 1963, he led the March on Washington, where he stood before the Lincoln Memorial and gave his famous I Have a Dream speech. You guys should watch it on YouTube. It's really good. Washington. Because of the work of Dr. King, many others, President Lyndon Johnson signed the Civil Rights Act, finally outlawing all racial discrimination. Unfortunately, Dr. King's story has been sad. He was murdered on April 4th, 1968. He was only 39 years old, but he achieved more than most people who lived twice as long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, we always like new subscribers and likes, and it would be awesome if you guys would share this. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye!
Did Martin Luther King stop segregation himself?
No, there are many other civil rights activists that helped stop segregation.
But Martin Luther King is most familiar to us all. Who were the other activists?
Let's check out this PowerPoint with all the other civil rights activists. Rosa Parks, an African-American activist that refused to give up her seat on a bus that led to the Montgomery bus protests/boycott.
Mohandas Gandhi. Mohandas Gandhi was an Indian activist. He was a nonviolent civil rights and freedom across the world. He was the leader of nationalist movement. He was the father of his country.
Bob Moses is an African-American educator, leader of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee on Voter Education and Registration.
Malala Yousafzai. Malala is a Palestinian activist for female education. Most recent civil rights activist. Youngest Nobel Prize.
Harriet Tubman, an African-American abolitionist and political movement, escaped using an underground railroad and helped other slaves get free through that railroad.
Hosea Williams. Hosea Williams is an American civil rights leader. He was best known for being in Martin Luther King's inner circle.
Virginia Foster Durr is an American white civil rights activist, and she was an Alabama Presbyterian minister.
Did you learn who any of these activists were before today? Raise your hand. Wow, I didn't know there were so many civil rights activists.
This means on Martin Luther King Day, we should honor all civil rights activists, past and present.
Another thing we should do is think about Martin Luther King's I Have a Dream speech and about our own dreams for the future, just like we do for kids at home.
You're right, and like the other civil rights activists, they had a dream and made a huge impact in the world by the dreams of goals.
Yes, that's something that you could do. We all can have dreams for our future and accomplish great things.
I will now pass the microphone to Mrs. Zonderland for her closing remarks.
Well, I sure learned some new facts. So thank you for sharing all, your research. These gals did some research for this assembly. They did it themselves. I can see your future being pretty bright myself. But let's introduce our some of our friends from our leadership team. So, say your name.
My name is Francine.
My name is Dave. My name is Ryan. And my name is Emma.
All right, let's give them a round of applause.
in January because on Monday we have a national holiday, Martin Luther King Day. And he really did help change our world. And so when you're not in school on Monday, I want you to be thankful for this man's work that has helped change our world.